it contains void minimum with 2 parameter. Okay, then simply I am calling the function. That's all. After the statement, it goes to this definition part. So void minimum int x and int y. Then it is checking the condition. If a condition true means it is returning x1 is a minimum, or else it is returning y1 is a minimum. Okay, so in this way you can include n number of a function in your project. Okay, now run this program. It will ask 2 number. So first maximum is returning, then minimum is returning. These are extra eject value global declaration. I explained this. Okay, so both we can able to do this using 2 different function. Here see the difference. Here in this function I am returning the result, and that result is assigned into result variable. Then in main I am displaying. Okay, so simply I am checking the condition. Based on the condition, it is returning the maximum element. That elements are displayed in the main program. So that here I am using the return type as int. This function is returning the value. What it is returning? It is returning the maximum value. So that here I am using return statement int. Okay, then what is a minimum code? Minimum, simply I am calling the function. That's all. I am not returning the minimum statement inside main. I am returning the minimum statement inside my module. Okay, so it is not returning any value. So that I am using void here. So void means your function does not return any value. Okay. If it is returning integer means you have to use integer. If your function is returning double means here you have to use a double. Character input it is returning means you have to use character or string, float, etc. If it is not returning any value means you have to use for void. Okay, so void minimum x1 y1, then normal comparison we are doing, then printf the minimum value is x1 or else minimum value is y1. I hope now you understand. Any doubt, student? Right now,
No,
any?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, no.
Okay. So today what I explained? Today I revised the array concept again. Then I gave the introduction of a function. That's all. So now you are having the idea of how to use a function. Okay. All you already you submitted your team details. All your team members in your free time you discuss with your team. Okay. You given the title also. In your title you identify the module. Four or five module. Okay, after identifying the module, you assume you take anyone team member, any team head. So the team head allocate various module to your team members. Finally, the team head, you are the responsible. You have to integrate all your team head modules into a single project. Okay. So this is your next task. Now all the students are given title and the team information. What is your next task? In the title, you think what are the modules you have to include. After identifying the module, okay, you form what is that, conference call. Okay, in the conference call, you allocate a team various module to each your team member. Then you can start your code execution now. Now you know the introduction of a function concept. Okay, you can apply this knowledge in your project development. I will include this code in the same doc file. Then I will upload this doc file in the GCF. Refer this. Okay.